Most people skip the basics. Big mistake. Give me 2 minutes in one simple stance. Your legs will switch on, your balance will steady, and paired with calm breathing, this practice can help nudge blood pressure in the right direction over time. No gear, any room, anybody. Stay with me. I'll show you safe versions for every level, knee-friendly options, and a simple plan that grows your strength without strain. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do today and how to keep it going all week. Why this works? Let's start with what this is. The horse stance is an isometric hold. That means muscles work hard while the joints stay quiet. Inner thighs and glutes switch on. Your quads fire to help protect the knees. Your core wakes up just enough to keep you upright. Give it about 30 seconds and you'll feel a gentle heat in your upper legs. That's your body learning to support you. Why care? Strong, steady legs mean freedom. They help you rise without using your hands. They help you climb stairs with ease. And when the pavement surprises you, they help you catch yourself. Set your base. Now let's set it up together. Stand with your feet a little wider than your shoulders. Point your knees where your toes point. Think. Long spine, soft ribs, easy shoulders. Go only to a pain-free depth. There's no prize for going low if your knees complain. Feet parallel? That's horse stance. Toes gently turned out? That's sumo. Pick the one that feels kind to your hips. Knees follow the toes always. Your base is set. Now guide the upper body by setting your hands. The best cue is to hug a ball in front of your chest. This opens your back and keeps the ribcage soft. Prefer less work? Rest your hands lightly on your hips. If you need to touch your thighs, place them high and close to the hips, never on the kneecaps. Want a little more upper body work? Try warrior-style arms. Reach both arms out to the sides at shoulder height, palms down, fingers long. Keep your shoulders down and your neck long. You'll feel your shoulders, mid-back, and postural muscles switch on while the legs hold you. Prefer something softer? Use a light guard position, elbows bent, hands in front of your chest. Shoulders happy and mobile? Test a light overhead Y for a few breaths. Only if it stays pain-free and your ribs stay soft. If anything pinches, come back to the easier options. When that gentle heat arrives in your thighs, shift your focus to your breath. Breathe in for 4 and out for 6. The longer exhale helps calm your nervous system. Keep it smooth and unforced. You may notice your face soften, your shoulders drop a millimeter, and the effort feel easier. Same stance, less tension. If you like a voice counting the breaths, I keep a 2-minute track start in mindfulness.com. It's what I use when I want to press play and focus. Use it if you like. The link is below. Now, a few small details that pay off later. Feel your foot tripod. Big toe, little toe, heels spreading into the ground. Let your ankles stay soft to sharpen balance. Keep the pelvis neutral so your low back feels easy. On each long exhale, try a tiny pelvic floor lift, like zipping up from the base. Light, never forced. And keep breathing. Old school tip. Holding your breath makes it harder. Regular, calm breathing helps you hold longer with less fatigue. A quick origin note while you hold. This stance shows up across traditional martial arts. In karate, it's called kibadachi. In Chinese systems, ma bu. It's taught early because it builds a strong base and the feeling of rooting into the ground, strength below, softness above. It's also a discipline drill. The posture gets tough, your inner voice tells you to quit, and you learn to breathe, focus, and stay. That skill carries into daily life. As your legs, hips, and core get stronger and more flexible, many people notice more stamina, better posture, and steadier energy through the day. Mentally, a few focused minutes in this hold can lower stress and help you feel more present. When you show up calm and grounded, that confidence often carries into every part of life, and yes, It can support intimacy too. In traditional Chinese medicine, grounded work like this is said to support the flow of qi, your life energy. Whether you use that language or not, many people simply feel more vitality when they practice regularly. Let's keep your knees happy. Stay higher if you need to. Keep your knees tracking with your toes and always use pain-free ranges. If you live with knee osteoarthritis or you're returning from a flare, choose one of these. Seated version. Sit tall near the front edge of a chair. Feet wide, knees tracking your toes. Press your feet into the floor as if you're about to stand, then hold that light effort. Wall sit version. Stand with your back to a wall. Walk your feet forward a little. Slide your back down a small amount and hold a gentle angle. No grinding, no pain. If pain builds or swelling appears, stop and choose the easier option. Let's try a short hold together. Set your feet and pick horse or sumo. Remember, long spine, soft ribs, and easy shoulders. Then, hug a ball or choose another arm option. We'll start with a light 30-second hold here. Keep breathing. In for 4 and out for 6. Feel the foot tripod. Keep your ankles soft, your pelvis neutral, and face relaxed. If anything feels sharp, come up a little. Choose comfort first, always. Now turn this calm into steady progress you can trust. Start with 30 seconds and add 5 to 10 seconds a day until you reach 90 to 120 seconds. On busy days, break it up into mini sets. 30 seconds during morning sun, 30 before lunch, 30 after dinner. Small moves. Big wins. Want a bigger goal later? Work toward holding 1 to 2 minutes, 3 to 4 times, on 3 days per week, always with easy, regular breathing. Build slowly. Your body will thank you. The easiest way to make this a daily routine is to stack it with something you already do. Use the 2-minute morning ritual from the last video. Step outside for morning light and hold your stance for 2 minutes. The light helps set your body clock for better sleep later, and at the same time you train strength, balance, and calm in one shot. Just 2 minutes and you're done. I'd love to hear how you start. Today, do 130 or 60-second hold. If you want, repeat it once later. Then tell us your time, country, and age in the comments. Tomorrow, add 5 to 10 seconds. In a week, many of you will be holding 90 seconds or more, are steadier on your feet, calmer in your body, and a little prouder every time you stand. If you hit 30 or more seconds today, type "I'm in" so the community can cheer you on. Check the pinned comment for the morning ritual link and a simple 7-day checklist. Before we finish, let's lock in the key cues so they're easy to remember. Feet a little wider than shoulders. Knees point where the toes point. Long spine. Soft ribs and easy shoulders. Hug the invisible ball or rest at the hips. Breathe in for 4. Out for 6. Knees never collapse inward. And hands never push on the kneecaps. Stop early if anything hurts, and choose the easier version when you need it. Common mistakes and fixes. If your knees drift in, widen the feet slightly and turn the toes a touch so the knees can follow. If your low back feels tight, come up a little higher and soften the ribs. If your shoulders creep toward your ears, lower the arms, lengthen the neck, and exhale longer. If you wobble, smile. It means your balance system is learning. Soften the ankles and keep breathing. You're training control. The world pushes, steep stairs, heavy bags, and crowds push. Meet it with solid legs and smooth breathing. Now, here's your plan. Day 1. Practice 30 to 60 seconds, once or twice a day. Days 2 until 7. Add 5 to 10 seconds a day until you reach 90 to 120 seconds. Busy day? Sprinkle in mini sets. 30 seconds during morning coffee, 30 seconds before lunch, and 30 seconds after dinner. Whenever you can, pair it with the morning light ritual. 2 minutes outside, stance on, breath long and easy. That's your daily win. Nice work. That hold builds real strength and calm. Now coming up. Over 50? The healing power of sunlight. Sleep better and feel younger. No pills. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. And join our global community. Type time, plus your country and your age. If you reach 30 or more seconds, write "I'm in." Your update will help someone else start. We're in this together. I'll meet you in the comments.